Hello everybody, Lungile Matuna here, Dr. Maswiti. Lalela. We're here in Meersench to celebrate, top achievers that are here. It's our 14th birthday. And man, it's a pleasure for me to be here because this business really has done so much for me and my wife and my family. And right now, I'm excited because we're actually changing other people's lives. The number of the people that I've had to personally mentor, every time I hear their testimonies and how their lives are changing, excites me a lot. While we're here, other leaders are in Durban, and I saw their event in Durban. Man, it's also top of the world, and to see that the impact of the business and my partnership with the business has gone that far, that we've got people in Durban who also have seen a lot of money in their bank accounts and their lives changing, and people about Polayo, the number of people that we interview about Polayo is just outrageous, and if I think about the number of the people who are making money in this business, it makes me wonder, what are you waiting for when people are making money? What are you waiting for when people are getting healed? People are okay. They are content and happy with their lives. So that leaves me with one question. There's one thing that the leaders that I am with always keep asking. They keep saying, it's a statement, which means, a fool says there's no water while others are drinking, or where others are drinking. So we're busy drinking water here. We're busy transforming our lives. We're busy transforming other people's lives. If you're sitting there and you're feeling like that, lives are not changing, or you're feeling like we slim, because truly, people's lives are changing. Another Islima says, what are we going to do if that water runs out? That's not a question that you should worry yourself about. If there's water right now and you're thirsty, drink, and then you deal with the problem of not enough water another day. Thank you. Lungile Matuna, Dr. Maswiti, Shayila Matot.